Imagine you're watching your favorite movie. Maybe it's The Lion King, The Spider-Man, or La La Land. The music swells. The hero says something cool, and your brain quietly files away a new English phrase without you even noticing. No flashcards, no grammar drill, just popcorn, a couch, and your brain sneaking in language like a ninja. That's not magic, that's movie-powered learning. And today, you're about to become a language spy using Hollywood and Bollywood, Nollywood, and everywhere else as your secret training ground. Ready? Let's roll the film. Why movies are secret language superpowers. First, let's bust the myth. I need to understand every word to learn from movies. Nope. In fact, trying to understand everything is like trying to drink from a fire hose. You'll just get soaked and confused. Real language learning isn't about perfection. It's about exposure, context, and repetition. And movies are packed with all three. Here's the science bit. Don't worry, it's gonna be fun. Your brain learns language best when it hears words and phrases used in real situations. Take this quiet, intimate moment from In My Father's Den, when Celia says,
I feel like I've known you my whole life.
It's not just a sweet line. It lands because of the raining, the pause before she speaks, the vulnerability in her voice. You don't just memorize phrases. You understand how English expresses a deep connection with simplicity and sincerity. That's called contextual learning, and it sticks way better than rote memorization. Plus, movies give you intonation, rhythm, emotion, and body language, all the invisible glue that holds real conversations together. Ever noticed how really can mean wow or I don't believe you, depending on tone? Really? Really? Movies show you that difference in action. So yes, your Netflix queue is now officially your English classroom. Let's make it count. How to turn any movie into a language lab. Step 1. Pick the right movie, not just any blockbuster. Don't start with Inception or Godfather. Complex plots, fast talkers, and old slang equals frustration city. Instead, choose familiar stories. Animated films like Toy Story or Frozen, rom-coms like Notting Hill, or superhero movies you've seen before. If you already know the plot, your brain can focus on the language, not the mystery. Clear speakers. Actors like Tom Hanks, Emma Watson, or Keanu Reeves speak slowly and clearly.
I misplaced an important complaint. That's their story. Want to hear mine?
I'm a firm believer in karma, and I think this situation was attracted into my life as a huge learning lesson for me.
The blade is in your aorta. You pull it out, you will bleed and you will die. Consider this a professional courtesy.
Avoid heavy accents or mumbling. Sorry, Christian Bale from The Dark Knight.
Today I found out what Batman can't do. He can't endure this. Today you get to say, I told you so.
Everyday language. Sitcoms like Friends or Modern Family are gold. They use real-life phrases like, I got something for you, or how you doing, buddy?
Nice. Hey, I got something for you.
How you doing, buddy? All right, relax.
Pro tip. Use your native language subtitles first if you're unsure. Then rewatch without subtitles. Your brain will connect the dots like a detective. Step 2. Watching layers. Like an onion, but tastier. Don't try to do everything at once. Break your viewing into 3 smart passes. Pass 1. Just watch, no pressure. Watch the whole movie with English subtitles. Goal? Enjoy it. Let your ears get used to the sounds. No pause, no stress. Think of this as language soaking. Pass 2. Hunt for gold. Now, Rewatch a 5 to 10 minute scene. This time, pause when you hear a phrase you like.
That's a wrap, guys.
You've got to be kidding me.
Write it down. Say it out loud. Copy the actor's tone, speed, emotion. Ask, when would I use this? For example, that's a wrap for when finishing work, not when eating a burrito. Task 3. Go subtitle free. The challenge round. Watch the same scene without subtitles. Your ears will work harder, and that's good. Even if you miss words, your brain is training to process English in real time. Step 3. Steal like an artist. Ethically. Movies are full of natural phrases textbooks ignore. Here's how to collect them. Create a phrase journal. Instead of listing isolated words like apology or decide, write down whole phrases, exactly as you hear them. Let's say you hear this in a movie.
I owe you an apology for the Christmas party.
Instead of writing apology, write I owe you an apology. Why? Because in real conversations, we speak in chunks, not single words. Your journal becomes a personal toolkit for ready-to-use English that sounds natural, fluent, and alive. Exactly like the dialogue you hear in films. Group phrases by situation. Organize your phrase journal by real-life situations so you can quickly find what to say when you need it. For example, at a restaurant, I'll have the usual, or could we get the check?
I'll have the usual.
Excuse me, could we get the check, please?
Making plans. Are you free this weekend? Or rain check.
You free this weekend?
So, rain check on the dinner.
Reacting to news. No way. Or get out of here.
No way, dude.
Get out of here, really?
Yes, this means really, not leave. This way, instead of scrambling for words, you'll have natural phrases ready for real-life situations, just like native speakers do. Step 4. Shadow like a secret agent. Shadowing means repeating what you hear at the same time as the actor. It's weird at first, but widely effective. How to do it. Pick a short clip, 15 to 30 seconds. Play it, rewatch it. Speak along with the character, matching their speed, tone, and energy. Do it 3 to 5 times until it feels smooth. Why it works. Shadowing trains your mouth muscles, your ears, and your brain to sync up, just like in real conversations. Plus, you'll sound way more natural saying, I can't believe it, with the right drama. Try it with Morgan Freeman's calm narration.
Most times, real life doesn't measure up to what's in our heads. You happen to catch me in one of those rarefied moments.
Emma Stone's upbeat chatter in Easy A.
Books you read in class always seem to have some strong connection with whatever angsty adolescent drama is going on.
Or this Dwayne Johnson's cheerful line.
You smell what the rock is cooking.
Okay, maybe skip the last one, but you get the idea. Step 5. Rewind and predict. The brain boosting game. Pause right before a character speaks. Ask yourself, what would I say here? Then hit play. Compare your guess with what they actually say. For example, you watch a scene where two friends meet after a long time. Pause the scene. Think, here I could say, long time no see. Play the scene. The character says,
It's been ages since I've seen you. Yeah.
boom, you just learned a new natural phrase. And your brain remembers it better because you tried first. This builds anticipation skills, critical for real-life situations where you can't rewind. What not to do. The common traps. Don't translate every word. Your goal isn't to turn English into your language. It's to think in English.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Don't translate it literally. Just think, wow, heavy rain. Don't binge watch passively. One focused 20-minute session beats 3 hours of distracted viewing, quality over quantity. Don't pick movies way above your level. If you're lost most of the times, understanding less than 70% of what's said, the movie is too hard for you. You'll get frustrated, not fluent. Save complex films like Pulp Fiction for when your ears are sharper.
We're going to a place called Monster Joe's Truck and Tow. Monster Joe and his daughter Raquel are sympathetic to our dilemma. If we come across the path of any John Q. laws, nobody does a thing till I do something.
Right.
Can you keep your spurs from jingling and jangling?
Mr. Wolf, look, the gun went off. I don't know why. I'm cool, I promise.
Start with clear, everyday English first, like the intern or up.
You should feel nothing but great about what you've done. And I'd hate to see you let anyone take that away from you.
I found the snipe!
Oh, did you?
Are they tall?
Oh, yes, they're very tall.
Do they like chocolate?
Oh, yeah. Chocolate.
What is that thing?
Real talk. Why this actually works. Language isn't just vocabulary plus grammar. It's culture, emotion, rhythm, and social rules, all wrapped in sound. Movies deliver all of that in a story your brain wants to follow. And here's the kicker. When you laugh at Joey's sarcasm in Friends,
Joey doesn't share food!
or feel inspired by Moana's courage,
Because you're amazing! And we mortals have heard of the tale of the crab who became a legend.
you're not just learning English, you're connecting with people. And that emotional hook, that's what makes words stick for life. Final scene. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. This week, pick one movie. Watch one 10-minute scene using the 3-pass method. Steal 3 phrases. Shadow 1 line. Then use one of those phrases in a real text, a call, or even a thought. Remember, you're not just watching TV. You're training your mouth, your ears, and your brain with popcorn as your co-pilot. Movies won't just teach you English. They teach you how real people live in English. And that's the kind of fluency no textbook can give you. So hit play, lean in, and let the credits roll on your old way of learning. Your next breakthrough scene, it's already playing.